This post introduces the ICAO reference to aeromedical standards through the perspective of Aero Safety World, and this article learning from history on regulating safety being one of their themes. So it says we've traded safety improvements by predicting and remembering as well, and that really is the issue about bringing lessons forward. So Transport Canada's TP 13312E mentions to advise problems with travel, as well as ensure air crews are medically fit, and finally promote health and safety in the field of aviation. So the medical exam is addressed on this page and makes reference to the ICAO Manual of Aviation Medicine produced by ICAO, and we can see the foreword here linking these pieces of text out to show development enforcement of standards for meds not approved for flight ops, and guidance dealing with medical assessment as well. And we'll transition to their table of contents just to draw attention to this section on training for aeromedical providers. So this section for the licensing authority draws out where contracting states shall designate medical examiners qualified and licensed who shall have some training in aviation medicine, with the recommendation that the medical competence should be engaged periodically by the medical examiner, with examples of practical knowledge being simulator experience or other hands-on experience designated by the licensing examiner. And due to the ubiquitous nature of the mental health profession and free availability of commercial desktop simulators, we're drawing in from the flight surgeon simulators with eyes on this authority gradient. And it mentions in this safety article, don't assume the senior person knows best, because mistakes can certainly be made at all levels. And it's up to the aircraft captain to make sure his crew are properly trained and designated as well. So that conflicts with Crown's demands in this matter with meds as directed. So anyway, we'll close out with some archival footage of the CF-101 Voodoo in flight as an early prototype for the Strike Hornet project. And that would have the pilot in front and a missionized rear seat with a cami on board to provide aeromedical support for the crews. So just fade out with a Microsoft Flight Sim version of same on departure of Cold Lake to dries on who the flight surgeons are.